sequence of Ashtanga Yoga. So you're going to lie down, so you're entering it from shoulder stand. Then inhale, legs over your head. Then roll onto your shoulders and see if it's possible to interlock the fingers. Now to test this posture, your back needs to be round. So roll forward, knees to your head. This isn't the posture, but it's the prep. Now open your knees, round your back, and now don't keep your knees wide, but hug your knees onto your ears. Squeeze the knees onto the ears. Now you'll notice that my knees aren't on the ground. So in order to make sure your knees get to the ground, open your legs a little, hands to the back, then roll over until your knee touches the ground, squeeze it onto your shoulder. Come back to the center, to the side, squeeze it all the way on. Now we'll go for both again. Round your back forward, squeeze the knees onto the shoulders, take your hands onto your sitting bones, round forward, folding in, then place your heels into each other, squeeze your knees into your head, press your knees towards the ground. Do it one more time, hold onto the sitting bones, round your back, suck the belly in, then take your hands, interlock the hands on the floor. After 8 breaths in the full posture, you can continue with the shoulder stand sequence, or you can roll all the way out. Thanks so much for watching.